I've been receiving private messages kung paano daw gumawa ng pen sleeve. Well, here's how. First, create a design. Of course, I used Canva. Then after creating your pen sleeve, if madami kang ginawa for your students, it is easier to download them first as PNG and create another blank project with paper size of 11 by 8.5 inches or letter size in landscape. Upload your downloaded pen sleeve design, then i-layout mo na siya for cutting. Ako, I was able to fit 5 pen sleeves in one letter size paper para tipid. Then download your project as PDF or PNG file, print, and then cut. Para di kayo mahirapan, I already included some pen sleeve template. Just click the link in the caption. And kindly subscribe na din to my YouTube channel, Teacher Aya Educatun. Thank you!